let's begin with the newsmakers of the day. Colgate-Palmolive's new managing director has listed 4 ways to regain lost market share. The strategy reset comes after Patanjali throttled the dominance of market leaders with Ayurvedic toothpaste. Agam Vakil is joining us to take us through the 4-point plan. Agam.
Right, so let me start by talking about the focus, where the focus is going to be for Colgate and its new leadership, specifically Ram Raghavan, who's recently taken over as the managing director. The focus is going to be on regaining a lost market share as well as driving revenue growth, which has been quite subdued. Now, in terms of market share, we must remember that the company has lost as much as 600 basis points over the last 4 years, even though it has settled just slightly above the 52% mark over the past 4 quarters, and that fall in market share has been arrested. The immediate priority for the company is to regain the lost market share on account of the entry of Patanjali, specifically Dantkanti, as well as several other competitors, specifically in this case HUL and Dabur. Now, we also know that the company has only grown as much as 3% on a CAGR basis over the last 3 to 4 years, and that is something the markets have not been enthused with in general, and that is something that the company wants to address. So how is it going to go about it? Focus on naturals, specifically its Ved Shakti brand. Secondly, building on the children's toothpaste and children's category, and we're building a loyalty program right at the grassroots levels. They're also keeping an eye and focusing on building on Palmolive. That's the personal care brand, which has taken a little bit of a backseat of late, but it is now going to be back in focus. And of course, most importantly, perhaps, is the communication of brushing teeth on a regular basis. There was various data that the management had presented, and they are working on not just marketing but also communications, and that is something that they're going to take into consideration going forward in terms of strategy for Colgate-Palmolive.